Hi, with a lot of help from the Bifrost Discord, I got the bullet scene here working um, to render it with Free-Ray. You can see those cubes here are falling into this box here, and I will hide the Alembic cache now and go to the Bifrost graph. To get this working, I started with point grid here. You can see two point grids to get those cubes aligned up there, then a merge node to get the points merged, randomize rotation, then set instance geometry, and the cube is coming in here. Then the rigid body from bullet here, then the bullet sim, and then here is the output, and down there is the collision for the box here. Just this crate here, collision mesh, prep. There was important to set this one here to static. Then source rigid bodies, and down here it's a little bit more complicated to get the Alembic cache out, because this is an array output of all these instances. So you need a for loop here for big instance node, and then you can output the Alembic cache here. I have here 3 digits here, and the important thing is you have to use a 03 for the 3 digits here to read in the frames, or you can export here and to a single file. It's also possible. I will upload the file later, and you can grab it from Discord to take a look.